So this is the lash lift perming kit that I got from Amazon. It comes in this box here, and then it has the directions on how to use it in the back, so it gives you like a step-by-step. And then inside, it comes with false lashes glue. You have number 1, which is the perming solution. Number 2 is the fixation solution. Number 3 is the nutrition solution, and number 4 is the cleanser. So these go in order as far as what you use first, second, third, and fourth. And then it also comes with clean tools, which I didn't use. I used Q-tips. And then it comes with eye lift pads. If you hear something, Micah's eating her bone over there. But it comes with this lift pads that you glue on the eyelids. Let me just show you guys. You'll see also in the video, but they look like this. And then other than the stuff that comes in the kit, I used, like I said, Q-tips. I also used Neutrogena makeup wipes to clean off my sister's eyelids at the end. And then I also used my duo glue, the green one that I usually use, the brush-on adhesive, because this one didn't work as good. So I suggest using a different eyelash glue or an eyelash glue that you like. The one that I use in particular, like I said, is the duo brush-on adhesive glue. So let's go ahead and get started on the video. Alright, so step 1 is applying the lid pads to the eyelids, obviously. So I took my duo brush-on adhesive glue and I put it on the flat side of the pad, and then I'm directly gluing it to her eyelid. Also make sure to hold it secure until it completely dries. Next, you're going to glue the lashes to the pad. So in the video, as you can see, I'm applying my duo brush-on adhesive to the other side, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a Q-tip and basically stick her lashes to the pad. So as you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting that inner corner lash to stick, so just apply glue or more glue if you need it. I don't know what it is about this part, but how satisfying is it to just watch me glue her lashes up? Alrighty guys, so step 3 is perm solution. Basically what I did is I took a Q-tip and I'm putting the product on all of her lashes. I'm also slightly lifting her eyelid a bit, that way I can get it as close to the root as possible. I'm also being very careful not to get it in her eye. Also, you want to be kind of generous with the amount, and I found that rolling the Q-tip, as you can see here, gets a good amount of product onto the lashes. And then we're going to go ahead and cover it up with saran wrap and let it set for about 8 to 12 minutes. We did 10 minutes, but I suggest doing the full 12 if you want the full potential of getting your eyelashes curled. Step 4 is fixation solution. So basically after the 10 minutes of the perm solution is up, you're going to go ahead and take off that saran wrap and apply the fixation solution with a Q-tip using a rolling technique, as you can see here. That way you can get a good amount of the product onto the lashes. It also suggests to leave this on for about 8 to 12 minutes, but we did 10 minutes. The next step is nutrition solution, and I think what this is basically giving your lashes some vitamins, since it did have some chemicals on them. That way you can basically nourish the lashes. The last step is to clean off your lashes. So what I'm doing here is I'm using a Q-tip and I'm using the cleansing solution that came in the box, and I'm basically wiping all of the buildup from the products that we used. I know this looks crazy, but also use that cleansing solution to gently take off the glued iPad and then wipe off the rest of the stuff using a Neutrogena wipe. And ooh, you can already see that curl. And this is the final look. no mascara. We didn't curl her lashes. It definitely works. It looks really good, as you can see here. I did end up putting a little bit of mascara just to see what it looks like with it on, and this is what it looks like. I really like how it turned out. She's happy. I'm definitely gonna try it on myself. So unfortunately, I didn't get a before video of my sister's lashes, but here is a before and after side-by-side photo, and as you can see, it made a huge difference. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Smile! You're about to have some curly lashes.
Wow, it's hurting the core.
Okay.
Now, looking ahead to February 9th, it is a showdown for the
Did you read the whole directions? Good thing I got my eyebrows done.
Dang girl, you're about to have some curly lashes.
I could smell the
Perming lotion?
Mm-hmm. It smells like perm.
What's going on? I'm trying to open the thingy. The heck you're on? Relax. Ew! What stinks? You guys are fucking annoying. Stop! Okay. What are you doing to her eyes?
Damn, another 8 minutes.
Wow, that is amazing quality. Wow. Oh, that's how you put a lot. You like roll.
Something is licking my freaking toes. What the heck?
Dang, you look good on camera. Yeah, you should always be my model.
Shut up.
It's like freaking HD up in there.
Look at Roger. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up. Now
Look at Aiko.
Bring it down. Speed it up. Then slow that shit down. On it down.
Open all the way.
Marunong ka pala magkulot, so maganda na. It is?
Then, makita yan sa mata ni Yuri. Dahan-dahan ka. Don't open your eyes. Kaya po yung magpapray ng ganyan. Tama na! Ang dami sa akin nilalagay. Lash fail.
Whoa, that one's really nice. That's so cool.
Wow, that one's good.
Go. Did you use it like